supercontinent Pangaea. So this was existing, before what 200 say 50 million. This is how the land and water distribution system was there 250 million years back. So now after 250 million years, all these continents, see, assembly will break apart. So see, that time Europe and America, they were together forming the Laurasia. I'll just draw it roughly here. You should also know what are the things present in the supercontinent. Like this, North America, and this side was Europe. So the southern margin was shared by South America, here, South America, and this side Africa. Africa, so here was India. India was here. Then Australia, this side was Australia. This side was Antarctica. Antarctica, Australia, India, Africa. Draw this rough sketch. So this was the Pangaea. These two were known as Laurasia. And this was Gondwana land. Gondwana land. So this was before 250. Now this part we have Tethys Ocean, Tethys Sea or Ocean, and this part, what is this spelling? Panthalassa. Panthalassa Ocean. So this is the major ocean, Panthalassa, Tethys together, was forming a single ocean. And this is the single landmass. You see, everything was together. Nearly 100% of the landmass were together. That is why it is called a supercontinent. So it was divided into Laurasia and Gondwana land. So in Gondwana land, India was present. So these five were partner of the continents of Gondwana land: South America, Africa, India, Antarctica, and Australia. And these two are Laurasia. Now, so what will happen? This is the place where the Atlantic Ocean will open up. This is the place where Atlantic Ocean will open up. And these are the place, these two margins, these two margins, Africa, Antarctica, India, this margin on Australia, Antarctica. So here, Indian Ocean will open. Indian Ocean will open. So that means this boundary will now get rifted. That time it was not a boundary at all. There are some very high mountain beds. That is the weak zone. Mountain belts were existing, orogens were existing along this line, which formed those weak zones, for continental drift, subsequent continental drift, or the rifting. Now these are the areas, weak zones. So here, below, in the astrosphere below here, will produce those convection currents. So these are the areas, those hot spots will be generated here. These are the places, these are the places. Because the continental rifting will take place then. They will break apart now. These are the places. Then only they will be separated. So now if you see the present day configuration, to see the present day configuration, place, you know. So mid-Atlantic ridge will open. There is mid-Atlantic ridge. Mid-Atlantic ridge. This is the place. Right from this part, it goes down to Antarctic. Similarly, this is the place, you know, this triangular configuration you see. One arm is here, another arm is here, another arm is here. You know. So, same thing you can also see here. So here, I will draw it, yeah? Let it this side. So one is your mid-Atlantic ridge, this one. This one will open up for me. Mid-Atlantic. As this occurs within the Atlantic Ocean, that is why it is known as mid-Atlantic ridge. Similarly, here it will open up for Indian Ocean. So how it occurs? I am able to see now. I just put on the light. You see how it is occurring. You put India here. So one ridge will come like this, you know. Then it will go from here, and another will go from here. So this is southwest Indian ridge. This is southeast Indian ridge. This is central Indian ridge. Central Indian ridge. These three arms will open up. Here, central Indian ridge, even southwest, southeast. So now this will go and join up with this. This will go and join up with this. ऐसा आएगा. Southwest Indian ridge will come and join up with mid-Atlantic ridge. So these are the places where continental breakup will take place, rifting will take place. So hotspots will start appearing here. Gradual, first initial stage rifting will be there. Rivers will start flowing, you know. Then gradually it will open up to form these big oceans. This is what is happening.
Sir, mid-Atlantic ridge. Can you locate the first triple junction very much?
Will come. See now, fast triple junction means what? It will be along a weak zone. See, I told you that the triple junctions, their priority or where they should occur depends on the previous weak zones. Suppose now you bring these two things closer to this. Closer to this. What will happen? This part will go and join here. So this curvature will go and join here. So follow this point. Now, what happens? Just I will explain these things. Then I will come to where and how. So now we have left Pangea, and now we are in the present configuration. You see, suppose you have now, here is a hotspot, here is a hotspot, here is a hotspot. You know, that is how the mid-Atlantic ridge will open up. So this was a previous weak zone. Now, when this hotspot strike the below, so here what will happen? You know, it will form three arms like this. You know. Yes, sir. Like this it will develop. So these are the triple junctions, you know, expression of hotspots. Triple junction or hotspot. So you will get rows of hotspots, you know, right from here. Like this, like this, like this. If you just bring them together, so those are the places, you know, where hotspots were created. So you will have this type of triple junctions. Here one triple junction. They have not joined up yet. Isolatedly they are forming over a weak zone, you know. Understood? Na? Now what will happen? You see? These are the places, you know, where rift valleys will start developing like this, you see. As a narrow rift valley will develop. This is the initial stage. Narrow rift valley will start developing. But now, if they work isolatedly, they cannot create a big oceanic ridge. they have to join up. They have to become a single line mid-oceanic ridge. Then only separation will take place, na? So what happens? These two will join. Similarly, suppose this is little this side. These two will join. Suppose this is like this. These two will join. You know. This is little. One is closer. This will join. Like this, you know. Suppose this is closer. This will join. This is little closer. This will join. You know. So this is the trace of. This will open up like this. Other two arms, you know. Other two arms. Here was there one. Other two arms. So this arm, you know. This arm. They will fail. Because there are three arms in cell. One of them, you know, is closer to one of the arm here. So they will join. So other side, this arm will join with this arm. So two are being used. One is left out, you know. Here you see, two are used, one is left out. Here one is left out. Either this side or the other side. Follow this? So they are what? They are the failed arms. Failed arm or allocation. Those are the ribs. They remained as a rib. They didn't go for ocean. So now, from here, they will start breaking, you know, like this. They will start breaking, like this will go this side, this will go this side, this will go this side. Like this it will go now. So here the ocean will open up. Ocean will open up. When the ocean will open up, what will happen to those rift valleys? They are initially the rivers. Na? Initially they were rivers. So the major rivers will start flowing from the continent into the ocean. So these are some of the major rivers which will be draining out into the ocean. So the larger rivers in the continent reflects the aborted arms, aborted rift valleys. Now suppose you was asking, na, you just see this end. This is the mid-Atlantic region. So now this part was in touch with this part. If you see these margins, both sides, you know, you will find very big rivers, very major rivers, you know, draining right from the center of the continent into the ocean. Can you name them? Few. You see a river here in Brazil. What is this river? Amazon river. Amazon got me are using that Amazon river, you know. This is Congo rivers, you know. These are the major rivers which are draining out into the Atlantic Ocean. So these are those rivers, you know. So suppose this is South America, this is Africa. So from Africa, this is Congo river, this is Amazon river, you know. They are the failed arms. So now, what you was asking, you know, from where it started first, that you just cannot say. But you can just, you know, predict those rivers, which are the major rivers, you know, along this margin, are probably the point where first hotspot started. So that is the place where rivers will be opening first. They will be becoming deeper. They will be becoming longer. So those are the areas, you know, the hotspot hit the base of the lithosphere first. Maybe one of the Amazon is a point. Missouri, Mississippi is coming from here. That is another point. This side Congo river is coming. So probably this is a place, you know, where it hit first, the hotspot, which is existing here. But you just cannot say, because this happens, so unless it happens at the same time, so this complete separation will not take place. So we keep a broad range, you know, within 200 million years. All these things will happen. So beginning of 200 million years, all these rivers started. The ocean started opening up. So but some rivers are very old and comparative and deeper into the continents. Probably that is the place where the hotspot started appearing first. Understood now? Similarly, suppose I say India and Africa, let us compare. You don't understand this part, no? Let us India and let us compare this part. How was it? So it was something like this, you know. This was India. This side was Antarctica. This side was Australia. You understand these things now? And this part was 1, 2, 3, 4. And South America was this side. That created our Atlantic Ocean. So this was Gondwana land. Now this was a continuous margin. There was no sea here. Sea was existing from this side. That is. Understood? No? Similarly, this margin was also continuous margin, continuous continent. So I told you, no? Here was an Nepean or the Enderby land. Enderby land was this side. This side was Eastern Ghat. So Eastern Ghat and Enderby land, this is a continuous mobile belt. As a mobile belt was existing like this, you know. So this is the weak zone. This is the weak zone. First target. Similarly, this side Dharwar, that was the Dharwar, Kerala Kondalite belts. They are the targets, weak zones. But it was a continuous landmass. So this Eastern Ghat was once upon a time stitching India with Antarctica. So that becomes a vulnerable spot, you know, for next stage of breaking. So when they are together, you just keep within 200 million or 250 million year, you know. Up to this they were together. After this they will break apart. So till then, you see the story of this part of India. So you have this Rift Valley, you know. Which Rift Valley? Yesterday I was telling Gondwana Rift Valley, Mahanadi Rift. This is Godavari Rift. Which were there. So these Rift Valleys, before breaking, so they are Gondwana Rift Valleys, you know. They are existing, straddling or running over one continent to the other continent. So the breakage happened. So this breakage you can determine, you know, when the last phase of Gondwana deposits occur here. Are you able to follow my point? Together when they were there, na, a single landmass. So Gondwana is being deposited here. Gondwana is being deposited here. Starting with calcite boulder bed, then these. Continuously it is going on here, and also Narmada. These are the Rift Valleys existing before 250. समझा कि नहीं समझा? Cambay Rift came later when it was going up after breakage. So during this time, these Rift Valleys were existing. So now, in a continuous landmass. Now, when this breakage happened, so this will break from here to here. So this Rift Valley also broke apart. So part remained within the Antarctica, part remained within India. So the last formation within these Rift Valleys will tell you when this rifting took place. That is what now. That is what. So probably, you know, this separation of these two continents happened somewhere around, say when the last thing happened. What is the youngest formation in Gondwana? Tell me. Jabalpur bed or Bagh beds around Jurassic Cretaceous. Jurassic Cretaceous, Jurassic and Cretaceous. This is the period. Till then they were having the sedimentation, continuous sedimentation in the combined continent. So now this happened, they broke apart. Follow this point now. After this the breaking will happen. Till this point, these Rift Valleys were having a continuous sedimentation. आपका वो dinosaur fossils. Dinosaur fossils not only here, you know, in Africa also. This also this South America, you know. Dinosaur fossils. Here dinosaur fossils. Here dinosaur fossils.